We are in Beaverton Forest Roads, which is in Parson, BC. And I've been looking on the map for some really cool camping spots around here. And I ended up finding one on iOverlander, but the spot next to it looks even better. But from Google Maps, it's kind of hard to gauge the elevation. But when it's not on iOverlander, either it is restricted access or nobody has really given it away to the public. So today we're going to be exploring. You can definitely see that they've tried stopping people to come across with this caution tape right here. But I think it's okay. They put these wooden beams here and okay, sturdy. Yeah, I think it's okay. And it's early enough in the day that I don't think we're gonna encounter other people who are trying to find this spot if it's known. Because the later day you get to a camping site, it is really first come, first serve. So I think today we're gonna be making a southern feast, like a Mexican quesadilla. I'm not that hungry, but I want to take advantage of this beautiful weather in British Columbia, actually Alberta, because before you know it, it'll be winter back here, and it's beautiful. I would say fall day. The sun is shining right behind me, and I mean, can we just talk about this view? I want to be honest here. Some days I really don't know what to do with my day, and then I kind of just wander, roam, and I discover places like this. And it's so quiet up here. I love people, I love spending time with people, but I really recharge my personal batteries just being in nature and absorbing this mountainous view. So I got this leftover fajita mix, so it'll be perfect for the quesadillas that we're making. I'm just finishing off anything that I have ready right now. I'm tired, but that's kind of the reality sometimes, eh? Just and if the pan looks dirty, because it is, I think that's the hardest thing about the road life, is keeping stuff clean. I didn't feel like doing dishes, so I didn't. I don't know how good this looks on camera, but it smells delicious. Wow. Can you guys see? Can I block out the sun? Oh man. The floating pollen. It's so magical. I wish the sun wasn't that bright. You can kind of see. You gotta notice little things, right? And kind of ground yourself. And while we wait for the food to cook, I want to thank you, and specifically my Patreons, for watching my video and supporting me on my crazy road life. Yeah, look at that, I burned everything, but... So I'm kind of forcing myself to do the dishes right now. Ooh! Okay, let's let it have it sit. Holy shit. But no complaining here with a view like this. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is breathtaking.